Okay, so this is how to remove a door window actuator or regulator on a CLS550. This is the rear one. So you have a 10mm screw hidden behind this rubber seal. So it's a 10mm nut. Okay, then we have another one up here. Then we have two on the bottom. You have to pop off these rubber seals or covers. And it's the big ones, not the small ones. And actually we skipped a step. So the first step is actually to disconnect this motor. And you have to remove the 3 Torx holding this motor down. It's just ours is already apart halfway, so we kind of skipped that part. So once you take this motor off, it's going to release the regulator, the window regulator. So that's the window regulator.